Imagine this. It's the dead of night. You're alone. The streets are still, but you feel eyes on you. You don't hear footsteps. You don't see anyone. But somewhere, someone knows you're here. Not because they saw you. Not because they heard you. Because they smelled you. We like to think scent attraction is only in nature documentaries. Tigers, lions, moths flying miles to find a mate. But humans, we're not as far removed from the animal kingdom as we like to think. Pheromones are chemical messengers our bodies send out, signals we can't see, can't hear, and usually can't consciously smell. In animals, they guide mating, mark territory, even trigger fear. In humans, the research is still developing, but here's what we know. Androstadienone, found in male sweat, can subtly influence female mood and sexual receptivity. Estratetraenol, found in female secretions, may shift male behavior and social focus. Sweat, urine, skin oils, genital secretions, and even hair, they all carry unique chemical signatures. In other words, you're leaving a trail, whether you mean to or not. Why this matters in survival? In normal life, scent attraction might mean your date seems a little sexier, even though he is not your usual type. However, in chaos, disaster, blackout, collapse, it can make you a target without you even realizing. Some predators, the humankind, fixate on smell. It's why stories exist of men stealing underwear, sniffing clothes, or lingering where women have been. To them, your scent is a trigger, sometimes sexual, sometimes obsessive. And in SHTF scenarios where law and order crumble, that fixation can turn dangerous. You can't stop producing pheromones. They're part of being alive. But during a collapse, you can disrupt or mask the signals. Layer different odors such as tar, smoke, animal urine, onion, garlic, and any other pungent smell to distort scent trails. Neutralize skin oils and natural sweat and odor by dusting ash, charcoal, baking soda, arrowroot powder, or clay topically. Change clothes regularly and store worn clothes away from where you sleep. Burn used feminine hygiene products, unwanted worn clothes, and any other items that hold a scent. In high-risk zones, limit overexertion when possible. More sweat equals stronger pheromone trail. Remember, attraction isn't always about beauty. Sometimes it's biology. And in survival, biology can get you killed if you don't respect it. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment a scent you would miss in an apocalyptic world. And as always, stay beautiful, stay one step ahead, and stay hygienic while you still can. Love you, sis.